Hey guys, it's me, Aqua Totodile. Today is an opening. Technically, this will be on my Game Hunter channel, but since it's gonna this box is gonna be on my main channel, I want to share you guys what I got at Walmart. So, I don't know if you guys remember this thing, the Super Nintendo Classic. I don't know. People said like the Nintendo Super Nintendo Mini or something. I'm not sure. So I used to own one way back then. Let's just say I used to own one way back in the 90s, just before Nintendo 64 came out, and I was been looking for this ever since. So, and I managed to find one, and I paid like $80, and I'm not sure if this is actually worth it. So, I'm pretty sure it's worth it because who wants to reconnect their old childhood memories with the Super Nintendo? So, this is what's like my first console that I owned before the Nintendo 64 came out. So we're just gonna unbox it, see what we got in here. So I'm pretty sure it gave us what details, what things they already have. So because I don't want to damage the box and anything because the box looks so damn good. How am I don't know how I'm gonna do this without destroying the box. I think I found it. Hold on. No, I don't think so. Oh, there we go. I was opening the wrong way. Let's see. I'm keeping the box. Neat. Oh, let's see what we got here. Let me just put this down, and we'll start digging inside of it. So we got the instruction book, which is great. We got, I guess the power, the adapter. And hold on, I don't want to put this one out yet because this one looks so cool. Let's see. Yeah, we got the power adapter, and what else do we have here? Oh, look, itty bitty bitty things. So, what do you know? It's cool. Itty bitty mini version of it. So, I don't think this is actually worth it for $80, but I think it's worth it. So, who just want to reconnect with their childhood memories with this old classic mini Nintendo, Super Nintendo? So, as for the controllers, let's look. Let's see. I love it. Look at this. Pretty, isn't it? Kind of pretty, isn't it? Let's see. Let's see how this thing. Neat. So if I just put this here. Wait, how does it go? I don't know how this actually works. I think there's supposed to be some sort of another connector or something. I'm not sure if I have it. Well, I do got the HDMI cable and this thing, so, and the power adapter, so, which is great. So, it's neat. I like it. So, I had no idea how this freaking goes. I'm pretty sure the HDMI goes out here and the. That's it. Pretty much that's it, you guys. So, and let's see what else we have. We got this. I don't know what the heck is this for. So, wow, you guys, did you really guys enjoy this? Hold on, wait. Got another one here. So, if you guys really enjoyed this, why not hit the thumbs up? Also hit that subscribe button to become part of the official Totodile clan. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next opening, I suppose. This is actually pretty neat. I actually like this thing. No, who can ever beat the classic of this thing? So it costs $80 at Walmart. I don't know if you guys wanted to get it for yourself. It all has the old classic games in there, and and pretty much that's it. So, and I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.